Hi, Dr. Momo here. Today we are going to learn about paced bottle feeding. So whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, this method helps prevent overfeeding, supports digestion, and makes bottle feeding feel more like breastfeeding. So let's dive in. So first of all, I want to apologize. I'm at my office today, so I don't have a baby doll. So this guy is standing in for my baby doll, and I don't have a bottle, so we're going to use a water bottle. But you all have an imagination, so I trust you can still follow along. Okay, step one of paced bottle feeding, posture matters. So you don't want these little guys flat on their back. You want them at an elevated angle. So we want to get them comfy. We want you comfy. We don't want them flat on their back chugging. This is not a frat party. All right, we want to sit baby up a little bit, like they're lounging and they're just sipping on a coffee, okay? Except babies can't have coffee, but that's what we want. We want them comfy, we want you comfy. Okay, so I like to do this sitting on the floor because I can support my back on a wall. There's normally a floor everywhere. If you're at home, you can do this on the couch with pillows propped up or on the bed. But you want to be comfortable, you want baby to be comfortable, you want them at that little bit of an incline. Okay, so I like this because this just works for me. This is comfortable for me. So I bent my knees up, I'm supporting baby. It keeps them close. They're looking at me, but they're not right next to the milk factory, so they already know something is different, and it's just a different experience and a different opportunity for both of you. So again, we want your knees kind of bent like this, and my feet are just supported on the floor, and they're up, and this is a good position. Okay, so we want them semi-reclined. We can get all tucked in with pillows, whatever we want to do. Step two, we want to go nice and slow. So we don't want the bottle to be like this. All right, again, we don't want them chugging this. This is paced bottle feeding. So instead, we're gonna tip the bottle back like this. And we want it to be horizontal. So it's gonna be the bottle, the way that you're gonna hold it is like this, not like this. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna give them a nice, slow, controlled movement of that fluid into their tummy. All right, again, we don't want them chugging. That's not what we're going for here. We're not in a race. All right, step three, we want to let baby latch. So again, we want to use that bottle nipple, just like your regular nipple, where you're gonna just rub it across their little lip. We want them to open up nice and wide and get a good latch on that bottle, just like we want them to get a good latch when they're nursing. All right, step four, pace yourself. So you're gonna be holding the bottle like this, not like this. And every couple of sucks, you're actually gonna just give it a little bit of tension. So a little bit of a pull away. You're not pulling it out, but a little bit of a kind of making them work for it. All right. And if that's not enough, you can tip it down even further, but just a little bit of some kind of change, either tipping it down a little bit further or pulling it back. That's going to slow it down even further. And again, that's going to more naturally mimic the pace of breastfeeding, which is suck, swallow, breathe, which is what we want. We don't want a fire hose action here, which is what this kind of bottle feeding gives them. All right. And finally, we want to follow baby's cues. If baby turns away or stops sucking, that's it. Respect the tap out. No more, just one more sip. They know when they're full. Learn their cues and they'll thank you for it. Okay, so that's it. Paced bottle feeding keeps baby comfy, helps prevent gas, and lets them stay in charge of their meal because nobody likes being force-fed. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Happy feeding. If you want hands-on help, reach out to your friendly IBCLC. And in the meantime, do good, kiss the baby, love yourself. Toodles!